Sunflowers and Rays YouTube channel. Y'all, my YouTube, just to clarify some things, lately I've been getting some weird comments, and I just want to say, if you follow me on Instagram, my YouTube is basically an extension of my Instagram, so it's all over the place. I try to narrow it down on here to mostly talk about my flight attendant lifestyle, my faith, and my coffee obsession. But lately I have been loving creating content about my tiny house, which I'm currently in right now. So if you ever have any questions about the tiny space or where I'm filming, this is where I'm at. I'm in my tiny space, and I call it my crayon box. That is that. But lately I've been posting on my like community post here on YouTube about this mirror, y'all, that I received that someone did not want. I wanted to take this mirror and add my flowers that used to be here on my wall. Ever since I put this accent wall up here, or did this accent paint color, so now that I've added this yellow to my wall, it's great, but I want a little more, and I low-key want to put my flowers back. But since I'm not going to put them back how they were, I'm going to take my flowers off of the canvas that I glued them onto, or I kind of poked some holes in it and placed them strategically around that canvas that used to be on the wall. I'm going to take them off and create a little flower bunch onto my mirror. I hope it comes out cute. Tell you what, this mirror is heavy as heck. So far I have all of my canvas pieces. I have these wire, y'all, when I tell you I am so not handy, I have these wire things, wire cutters, I guess. Very difficult time getting these off. So I'm hoping, yay! Simply add my hot glue and stick it to the mirror. Now the more I think about this, the more I feel like it's about to be a struggle. But you know what? I'm here for the challenge. Let's get it going. Flowers are expensive as heck, and I spent so much. I spent so much. Like this, the original, the little flower canvas, that idea was way more expensive than I imagined it to be. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get these faux flowers and I'm just gonna put it on this canvas. It's gonna be a great idea. And it was adorable. I actually really loved it in the space because it went along with my whole color theme that I got going on in here. But you know, I always have to have my sunflowers. But it was super expensive. At the time when I did it, it was probably like, I don't know, $2 something that I spent. And then here's the crazy part. So apparently there's a lot of Tammy fault in this. Because my friends who play with fake flowers all the time said, well, oh, why didn't you just check the dollar store? Y'all, why nobody told me that the dollar store has faux flowers? It's okay. By the time I did actually make it to the dollar store and I tried to see which ones they had, they didn't have a grand selection of flowers. They had like a few, and I mean it was what it was. Here we are. I wonder if I should add some of the green in there too. You know, I really do apologize for always looking like I just left the bed when I come here. I apologize for that. I am home. Home attire is that's what it's gonna be. We need to like corner that down so that it's not just in one awkward spot. Let me grab another orange one. Oh my gosh. And the mirror lights up, so it's gonna be great. Oh my goodness. I love this. Okay. I love this. A little bit obsessed. But this mirror is so heavy and it has a plug. But thankfully, whenever we built my tiny house, my fiance installed an outlet high up because I want to say originally we thought we were going to put a television on this wall. It never happened because my TV stays in my bedroom. And this is definitely like a quiet, serene, almost prayer space for me. And yeah, so there's no TV in here. But this is gonna be amazing for my own personal aesthetic purposes. Let me go get them. Issue we're having is the fact that there's a plug to this found mirror, and it's like an LED light, and actually it's kind of cool. So when you touch this little button on the mirror, when you touch this button on the mirror, it lights up. So it's super cute, but the way that they have the plug set up, it protrudes so much that he said he's going to have to do something else so that it can sit more 3D off the wall. So I'll wait for that, but in the meantime, I wanted to have it hung up because I didn't do all of this to not see what it looked like. And he scratched my yellow up here, but you can't see it, I don't think. I'm trying to just be grateful and not be a spoiled little brat. But yeah, I love it. Isn't it cute? bye.